Key Security Systems presents a PowerMaster tutorial video. How to add or change a telephone number. The system can store up to 4 private telephone numbers. Press the next button until it shows the user settings, and then press the OK button.
Please enter code.
Enter your master code. Press the next button until you see the option for private report on the display. Press the OK button. Voice report should be displayed and press OK. Press the next button and the first private telephone number is displayed. Then press the OK button. The display will then show the first telephone number to be called. If you wish to change the number, simply enter the new number using the keypad. When completed, press OK. If you do not wish to change this number, simply press the OK button again. To check the second telephone number to be called, press the next button until second private telephone number is displayed. Press OK. The procedure is the same as before, either press OK to leave the existing number as it is, or enter the new number to be used and then press OK. When you have completed your changes, press the lock padlock button and press OK to exit.
Disarm. Ready to arm.
When you receive a telephone call from the system, answer the call and listen to the message. Decide if you are going to deal with the issue. If so, while the call is still connected, you must press the number 2 on your phone keypad. This will stop the system ringing the next number on the list. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.